Hi guys, welcome to the channel Idivada Sambar. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon and tell me your comments about the new name in the description box. So today's special is this brown gravy. Actually, I'm gonna do one chicken kurma. How I'm turning that into an Andhra style dhabha curry. Just look, okay? These are the ingredients, guys, and this red chili paste. I'll tell you how to make it in this picture. Just grind it and make it and store it in the freezer for at least 1 month. It don't spoil, guys. And I'm just going to marinate the chickens with some salt, ginger garlic paste, and all these garam flours, kasuri methi, rice flour, corn flour, and some maida. If you don't want, just skip this maida. And some masalas, turmeric, chilli powder, coriander powder, and some garam masalas. A little bit of lemon juice and curd. Just mix well, just sprinkle a little bit of water and mix well and marinate for half an hour. Yeah, now let's prepare this onion tomato paste. Take a big onion and just chop it and add it, and then half tomatoes and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and grind them and keep it aside. All the preparation works are done. Now let's start cooking. I feel it easy to cook in this pressure cooker. If you don't want, you can make in the kadai also. Some whole spices, bay leaves, some jeera, some cardamoms, cinnamon and a star anise. Just fry them until they are aromatic and add 1 big onions and 3 green chilies. Little bit of mint just for a flavor. Toss everything, and if it turns a little bit brownish, it's time to add the ginger garlic paste. Just fry everything, and once they are cooked, add this 1 end of tomatoes. Just mix it well. To cook the tomatoes and onions faster, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix them all. Let them cook. It's already half cooked, see? So it's time to add those onion tomato puree. So it's a fresh one, so it take a little bit of time to cook. So just saute them well and let it cook at least for 2 to 3 minutes in the medium flame. So this is the main ingredient for this gravy. Most of you have not have this in the home. Just grind it and keep it. Cinnamon powder of half teaspoon, turmeric of 1/4 teaspoon, some coriander masala of 1/2 teaspoon, and garam masala half teaspoon, and a chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Just mix everything and allow it to cook. And we don't want any raw smell of the masalas and onion tomatoes. Everything have to go on. Just wait for at least 5 minutes to cook everything in the oil. It's almost cooked and it's ready for the chicken. Wait, I know most of my subscribers and friends and family members are vegetarians, and best idea to make this gravy for vegetarians is to add some cauliflowers, carrot, beans, peas and potatoes, guys. Turn this gravy into a vegetarian kurma. So now let's prepare this coconut paste. Some poppy seeds, some dried coconuts, some fennel seeds and stone flowers, and the star mint leaves, which just gives the exact taste of the hotel. I want to tell you one tip. Always coat the chickens with the masalas and cook at least for 5 to 8 minutes, because the masalas have to be infused in this chicken. And just cover the lid and cook for 3 whistles. Yeah, let's open after 3 whistles. Yeah, it's yummy. Let's time to add this coconut. Mix this coconut and cover once again and cook for 1 whistle. Many of you do what is add those coconuts along with that masala and cooks. That's not the proper step. You have to do it like this, guys. And by the side, I'm making a 1 teaspoon of corn flour and mix it with some water and the homemade chili paste of half teaspoon. Mix it and keep it aside. Let's fry those marinated chickens. It's almost half an hour, I think so. Yeah, guys, this is a second recipe actually. First is the chicken kurma is almost ready. The only step is we have to add those cornstarch to that gravy. So let's start our second dish. Add 3 chilies and 1 longly sliced onions and toss them. Add those fried chickens and add some masalas as I have these beautiful masalas from SAKTHI's. I'm adding this. If you don't have it, you can use any chicken masalas from the store bought, and I'm giving the links also in the description box. Do check it out, guys. These masalas are delicious. I'm adding this corn flour water, a 3 tablespoons of it, adding this remaining corn flour to this gravy, because this chili paste have a jaggery taste also, which just enhances, and this corn flour just changes the texture of the gravy. Finally, Tamilnadu style, a Kongu parotta style chicken kurma is ready. Take a 1 cup of it and add it to your roasted chickens. As we have already added the masalas, and the masalas are in the chicken, and the extra masalas are on the gravy. So to dilute them, I'm adding a 1 cup of water. To change the color of the gravy, I'm going to add this 2 to 3 drops of brown food color, and it's not a bad idea, I think so. In shops, they just do the same way what I'm doing. Just cover the lid and cook for at least 5 minutes, guys. Actually, the corn flour and the gravy and the masalas just turns the gravy to the next level. It goes well with idli, dosa, parotta, everything, even with rice. Try it at your home and tell me your comments, guys. And thank you so much, guys, for watching the video, and subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed, click on the Simply Cook icon and subscribe it. If you really like the video, share it with your friends and family.